Hello, One Talk. In this video, I'll be renewing my business name for 2023 in the new IPA Online Registry System using my smartphone. First of all, if you haven't got an online account in the IPA Online Registry System, you have got to create it first before you can do this process. All you do is come here in this menu and there, create account. Set up a business entity's account here, complete all the information, submit. Back to renewing my business name. Let's get into it. First of all, in this menu, I log into my account. I get to my business entity's homepage, click on my entities and search. I've got two entities, my company and my business name. Okay, business name start with a 6. So I'll click on my business name number. See, I registered in 2021. The status says registered, but my renewal date show 2021, which is kind of wrong because I have renewed my business name here, see, in 2022. So let's see what happens when I get through this process. You click on new filing, the form category, and you choose this one, annual return or financial position. It's really weird. Could be called renewal of business name to be more clear. Took me a while to get there. Anyway, AR20, they're available for filing. Renewal of business name registration, initiate filing. Okay, here we go. Business name, yep, that's the right one. Next step. I certify that all the information entered and or uploaded is true and correct. Yep. Designation, I am the owner. Okay. Checkout. Okay. Looks like we're good. Checkout. Being redirected. Payment must be made. So it's 150 Kina people to register every single year. Okay, I've paid by Visa card and it's given me this receipt. Remember to save this in your digital filing system to record in your bookkeeping system so that you can claim a tax deduction in your tax return. Go back to the business name registration. Look, under my filings, there's a electronic fulfillment thing to do. And it's got this little hand here, the blue one. This one, see that? Let's click on this blue hand and do that last thing that what it asks to do. We can click on complete. Brings me straight back to the same page, but it has a close button as well. Click close before we go and look at my certificate, which I've already downloaded. Okay, it's closed and return to my business entity's homepage. There we are. So this is my renewed business name certificate. And you can see the registration expires on 31 August 2024. Anyway, guys, that is it. Subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more from me. Bye.